I just finished watching my Georgia Bulldogs whip up on Vanderbilt, and we're going to be doing some appetizers for a late game. Today we're doing smoked cream cheese on the Camp Chef Woodwind. I'm going to get the smoker set up here, so I'm going to set the temperature to 225. And then I'm going to set the smoke to as high as it'll go. And it's going to start up. It's going to take about 10 minutes to get up to 225. I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm on that while we get the cream cheese ready. Today we're going to be using a block of Philadelphia cream cheese and the gospel rub from Meat Church. You can use any of your favorite rubs. This is one of our favorites, so I'll be using. I like pretty much every rub made by Meat Church. So I opened the package and I'm going to go ahead and season the bottom and the sides. Easiest to do while it's still in the package a little bit. Then I'm going to flip it upside down on a piece of aluminum foil. And I'm going to score the top. So just cut a little crosshatch design in there. And now I'm going to season the top. And that's it. We're going to take the foil and slide it into the smoker at 225 degrees on the highest smoke setting we have. So I just took my cream cheese on the aluminum foil here, and I'm going to set it right here on the top rack. I'm going to shut the lid and I'll check it in about an hour and a half. Total time has been an hour and 44 minutes. Let's take a peek. Looks so pretty. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. I have some 5-pepper jelly from Southern Belle Farms in McDonough, Georgia, and I'm going to pour it over the top here. It'd be awesome if you'd take a second to subscribe and hit the thumbs up on this video. This is the pepper jelly from Southern Belle Farms that we use today. You can come in with your chip of choice. Some people use scoops. I'm going to be using a wheat thin and get a little bit of cream cheese, a little bit of that 5-pepper strawberry jelly. Make the perfect bite. I'm definitely not the first person to try this smoked cream cheese, as it kind of swept across all the social media platforms, but you've got to try it. It's going to be a great addition to any party. Click any of the videos shown on the screen right now and they'll open right up on your device. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'd love to have you follow me on TikTok and Instagram. If you want to order a t-shirt, there's a link to order those in the description and in the pinned comment. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day.